Everybody, this is Katerina, and today I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows, how I make them pretty and beautiful shape, what product I use. I will need just only 3 items. I will need brow freeze styling wax, then I need a spoolie, and also I will need eyebrow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna use color chocolate. And I will talk a little bit about this product. It's again $23 from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a clear eyebrow styling gel, oil-free, paraben-free. It will hold in place your eyebrows. Sometimes some of my customers suggest you can use this just clear products because they don't need really much color and will just style and make just like very like I'll say sleek, very clean shape. Also you can create your shape. Right now some people I like more clean, some they like more like spooky look. But let's start. First again, you will need to have a spoolie. I will use this spoolie from Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna apply very little. Now let me come a little bit close to camera and I will show you what I'm gonna do. And also I want you to see I have eyeshadow, I have a little bit lip gloss, and my brows looks okay, but I think we're missing this beautiful frame, this little bit pop. I looks maybe a little bit tired without eyebrows. And you can do your eyebrow shape like you like. You can go do this way, like I making a little bit like spooky, and it's gonna stay like this all day. I think it is the best in the market eyebrow product to make your eyebrows stay in one position. Okay, or you can make more clean. You see, if I will remove this and make more clean, I think I like it a little bit more lift right here, but not too much spoolie. Okay, now I'm gonna use again Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil, and my color is chocolate. And like I don't have much volume right here, I'm gonna just apply a little bit color on front, step by step. Also I like to make my eyebrows not too dark but not too light, but I definitely always using some products to make my eyebrows a little bit more visible, because it gives me eye lift and I look much more younger. Now I will use one more time spoolie. My eyebrows look so natural, really natural. Again, I just need more volume right here on front, because for some reason I don't have much brow hair right there. And for extra lift I have small tiny brush. I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter from MAC, and I'm gonna use this first color. It's a lighter color, and I'm gonna use little this product under my brow. And can you tell huge difference? We have eye lift, my eyebrow looks much more full, but it's not too dark. You see huge difference. It's not too dark, it looks natural, and I look even younger. I hope you like this video. Let me do my another brow and I will be right back. My eyebrows done. Again, we use only like Eyebrow Pencil, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Brow Freeze, and Little Spoolie. You do not need these hundreds products. Yes, I can use only pencil, it's fine with me, but I do like this beautiful slim shape. Again, it's only $23. Products will be listed below. Don't waste your time. Don't do your eyebrows for 40 minutes, okay? Love you all. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a like. Love you all. Bye.